almost got lost in a city where I've been living for the past 8 years. This is ridiculous. I recommend you to come well in advance. When it's so hot, it's getting a little bit complicated to work from coffee shops unless they have an AC. Darren Aronofsky was supposed to come here. Good morning from Bologna. It's a very busy day today and it's pretty hot here. It's July, so it's kind of obvious, you know. But yeah, today is a work day and it's been a while since I took you with me on a day in my life. And I think it's time to show you what my days look like during summer, surviving the Italian heat. Because yeah, as I said, it's pretty hot today. I do not have a very busy schedule, so I'll just have a couple of things to do in the morning. I'll go to a really nice cafe to work from there and show you that place. And then I want to take you with me for a couple of really cool events and places afterwards. And we'll see what the situation is like in the city center, if there are too many tourists, if it's overcrowded, and how people are surviving the heat. So bear with me and don't forget to subscribe. A quick note for you guys, this place over there is really good for ice cream. In case you're in Bologna, make sure to stop by. Let me tell you what, I got lost. I've lived in this city for so many years and I just got lost because I think I was just, you know, I'm not really used to filming everything myself. I usually have my cameraman with me, not today though. And I was walking and I was trying to film and I was also thinking of what to film next, and then I just realized that I was taking the wrong turn and actually getting into the opposite direction of where I was heading. I'm going to the cafe where you can work from, and there aren't many of these kind of cafes in Bologna, but this one is really cool, and also it's vegetarian friendly. I'll tell you more about it in a minute once we get there, because I was going in an opposite direction, almost got lost in a city where I've been living for the past 8 years. This is ridiculous. You know, there aren't that many vegetarian or vegan friendly restaurants in Italy, and let alone in Bologna. But I feel like if you're a vegetarian or vegan, you can still enjoy the Italian cuisine and the food in Italy, because it's a huge part of your experience in Italy. And besides this place, there are several more in Bologna, and you can find them by following the link in the description box and checking out my Bologna travel guide, where I have listed all of the best places to eat and to drink and to have coffee, including all of the vegan and vegetarian friendly places, so you'll find lots of them. See this monstrosity of a screen right in the central piazza of Bologna? It is here for a very good reason actually, and I'll tell you why. Can you see the seats? Can you imagine what's going on here? Every summer, from mid-June to mid-August, the central piazza of Bologna transforms into a huge open-air film festival, starting from vintage films and then moving on to more recent films. Like this year, I know they're going to show Dune, for example, and Everything Everywhere All at Once. These are two films on my list to see. And it's the biggest event every summer here, and it's a must-see if you are visiting Bologna, even if you're just a tourist, you know. Locals love it. I mean, we'll have our favorites and we tend to gather here together with friends, and it's absolutely free of charge to see any movie that is being shown here in the piazza. There are other venues of the festival where you need a pass to go and see a movie, but here it's free of charge and it's lovely. Just take a look, guys. It's huge. If you happen to be here and if you want to visit, I recommend you to come well in advance to grab your seats. But yeah, I would say it's the biggest event, a must see, and I can't wait to bring you along here with me tonight. So yeah, we'll be back here later and I will show you what it looks like when there is actually a movie. But now let's go see what is the movie schedule now. There are normally both Italian and foreign films you can find here, and sometimes for some movies there will be famous directors who would introduce them and make a speech. I think this year Darren Aronofsky was supposed to come here. I think he's already been here, but I missed it. And Martin Scorsese also comes here quite often to make the speeches and presentations. So yeah, as you can see, it's a very, very big deal. You will not usually find brand new movies that are premiering, not something like that, but the films that have been out in the last years, and also the older films. Like, it's a mix. I don't know really how do they make the selection, but it's a mix, and usually it's a great one. This is a fountain with the drinking water, guys. So in case you have your reusable water bottle, you'll know that you can refill it right here, the Neptune. I just realized that I absolutely forgot to show you something. And there is this bookshop, a new one. It's not a new one, of course. It's been here for ages, except for I had no idea about its existence. But then my bestie found it a couple of weeks ago and showed it to me. And it's amazing. I want to show it to you too because it's been such a discovery for me. And I'll leave you a link in the description box to this place. I'll leave you a Google map pin because, guys, it's lovely. If you love bookshops, you have to visit it. Come with me. So it's 7:30 p.m. now. I went back home, I had lunch, I worked a little bit more, now I've changed. I'm already running late because I'm heading to a friend's house for some drinks before we will all get to the piazza for cinema. And the movie starts actually at 9:45, I think 10 p.m. probably. And I'm really glad for that because it's super hot. It's got even hotter now by the evening, which is weird, I know, but still. And yeah, I can't wait to show it to you because this is such a special experience with everyone gathering there and watching the movie when it's dark outside and you can actually see the stars sometimes. So yeah, the name of the festival is Cinema Under the Stars actually, and you'll see why. So yeah, I'll take you with me and show you everything.
それでいいんだよ。だから一番もっと高級な気持ちでね、日常的なお酒じゃないんだよ。
And that's it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this very relaxed day in my life. I worked somewhat, but also it was mostly a relaxed summer day in my life. surviving the heat, but also enjoying today. And I mean, you know, this summer is so busy. Bologna is always super busy in summer because it's full of events, really cool events like concerts, exhibitions, festivals and all. And yeah, I actually have a busy week ahead with a few more events. Maybe I'll show some of them on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. I will leave you a link in the description box, and also check it out for other links. I have so many resources there. Once again, guys, I remind you to subscribe, hit the bell button down below so you don't miss anything. Like, comment this video. Let me know in the comments if you like this more kind of, you know, chatty vlogs, day in my life, relaxed vlogs. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your day.